running your business on Google Voice? Here's why that's about to bite you. Google Voice is free, and it costs you everywhere it matters. Try to use it for verification. Your bank sees it's a VoIP number and rejects it. No code, no login. Banks, utilities, even other apps, blocked. Your texts? Users report messages that silently fail. The customer never got it, and you never knew. No videos, no images, messages cut off without warning. And here's the scary one. It's a free Google account. Google can suspend it. And your business number just disappears overnight. Who do you call to get it back? Nobody. There's no support line. It's a web form, and replies take days. No call recording, no custom caller ID, no real business features. That's the past. So here's the new way. eTollfree, a real business phone line, a number that verification systems accept because it's real phone service, not a free experiment. Texts that actually send. Business SMS with pictures and files that your customers actually receive. Your number can never vanish on a whim. It's yours, with real humans behind it. Call us, and a specialist picks up, one-on-one. Then, the upgrades Google Voice will never give you. A real toll-free number. You can even use 1-800 numbers and pick a vanity number your customers remember. Auto attendant and IVR included. Ring groups, business hours. Call recording and voicemail to email on every plan. And an AI receptionist with no monthly fee. It answers, qualifies, books, appointments, and routes callers for pennies a minute. Over 100 features, starting at $6.95 a month. And eTollfree isn't an experiment. We've been doing business phones for over 20 years. No long-term contract, no setup fee, and when you need help, you call us. And a real specialist picks up. Keep the number you have, we do all the porting paperwork, and you can be live in minutes. Your phone number is your business. Stop renting it from a free app that can take it away. Get started today. Pick your new number. Or port your existing Google Voice number over. Every feature Google Voice doesn't have for as low as $6.95 a month. Go to eTollfree.net.